here. What temperature is it?
What the schwa?
Hello, I'm Anna from Magic Ears.
And I'm Catherine from Magic Ears. And welcome to What the Schwa? The show where we go through the eccentricities of the neutral North American accent.
Yeah. So, what is a... Is a swing... Is a shawarma? Schmear.
So glad you asked, Anna. The schwa is technically defined as an unstressed mid-central vowel. It is also characterized by this upside down E.
Oh, that's pretty cool. So what does that mean for me?
Oh, but what that means for you, Anna, and for all of the other ESL teachers and performers out there is that you need to have a neutral North American accent and use this schwa sound correctly.
Well, how the heck am I supposed to do that?
So glad you asked, Anna. Well, we use a great online source called
What was that?
So, at Magic Ears, we use Merriam-Webster's online dictionary as a resource and sort of a guideline for all of the pronunciation of all of our words. Take one of the words that you said earlier, temperature.
What was that?
Temperature.
Okay, that's not how you say that.
Okay, normally I say temperature, but when you look at Merriam-Webster online, it is temperature. And the great thing about Merriam-Webster's online dictionary is, you see that little play button up there? You can actually click on that button to hear somebody actually say the word. Let's try.
Temperature.
Oh, so you weren't joking. That's really how that's spoken. So where's the schlub?
The what?
The schmur,
the schwa?
The schwa.
The schwa. Okay. So the schwa sound is right there in the second syllable. And actually, I have a really great tip for teachers and performers out there to master this weird little sound. Whenever you have a schwa sound, go down in pitch. Think of each word as a melody. So temperature, you would go down. Temperature. Temperature. Go down on the second syllable. You try.
Temperature.
Yeah, that was it. That was perfect. See? You're amazing.
But, okay, I already speak like a normal human being. I mean, why is this a thing? Why do I need to speak like this when I'm teaching? This feels really nitpicky.
I understand that. I get it. I really do. But I want you to think of it this way. At Magic Ears, these students will have many teachers. And we want all of the teachers to say these same exact words with the same exact accent, so that way these students will have the tools that they need to succeed in life.
Huh. It sounds like Magic Ears is quite dedicated to giving its teachers the tools that they need to truly be a hero to these children.
All right, that looks like a good place to end this. So if you liked this video, make sure to give us a like and subscribe and turn on that notification so that way you can get great videos from us.
And if you want to be a hero to thousands of Chinese children, then hit the link below and teach with us. And we'll see you next time.
Bye! You should hit the link down below.
Why are you still here?
We're just gonna
should subscribe to